Hey guys, today I'm doing a unboxing video of a little something that came in the mail today. This is a remote control helicopter, just to let you guys know. It's not a fan related video, but this is a type of helicopter I've been looking for a while. I've wanted a bigger size helicopter, a lot bigger than something like this. This is a Blade 500X. But I've been looking to get into one of the bigger class helicopters for a while now. And I saw this for a deal on a Facebook group, and I just had to have it. It was a great deal, so I bought it. So I'll go ahead and start opening it up here. And it is disassembled. Whoa. There's one of the batteries, just to give you an idea of how big these things are. There's the other one. Came with 2 batteries, so that's sweet. And here's the heli. The canopy. Big Angry Birds canopy. Pretty sweet. It's fiberglass, so that's pretty cool. And then in here we've got some parts. Tail parts. Drive gear. The carbon fins. And I believe this is the head. Very well packed. Yep, that's the head. And then some linkages. It's massive. And in here we've got the main blades. I think these are either rail or revolution blades. Take a look here. Yep, they look to be a revolution. 550 size rotor blades. Put those there. And we'll pull the heli out of here. Skids. Pretty big set of skids. There's the heli. It's a pretty big helicopter. Really happy to have one of this size now. So hopefully I'll be doing a flight video pretty soon. So thanks for watching.